Hello, good day. I am Emeka Oramunwa on the Google African Challenge Scholarship. I'm here to talk about and demonstrate my project for you to all see. In my left, we have the code, while in the right, we have the visual display of the code. Okay, I'm using a relative layout for this card. This card, though I don't know whether to call it a sympathy card or a condolence card, but it's a card I made for a friend of mine who just passed this week, which is just addressed to him directly. So it's just a card I wish to give him as a parting gift. Okay, as you can see here, I have the relative layout. In my relative layout, it contains one image view and 4 text view. So I will run you through the image view and the text view, as well as explain where each stays on the visual. Okay, in my image view, I have the attributes of layout width and layout height to be match parent. My image on the withdrawable is Park, and I'm using a scale type of center crop. Now the match parent helps to match the image to size the view group, whereas the center crop helps the image which you have brought in to actually take the entire size of the parent. Okay, the text view. In the text view, the first code here, I ID'd the text to be John underscore text underscore view. The second attribute here attributes this text view to bear the name Ofumba John Chimezie, which, as you can see from the visual, is at the bottom of the parent. That is why the attribute layout align bottom of parent came into existence to be true. And I have my layouts of width and height to be wrap parents as well. This enables each text I input here increases the text view length or either reduces it based on what I do, either adding or reducing. Okay, in this text view, I also had to add padding to it at 16 dp and a text size of 18 sp. I added a color to it. As you can see, the color of this text differs from the rest and is bold and italicized. That is why you have it this way. Okay, I have my second text view. Okay, in the first text view, I didn't add a line to the left because the moment you enter a text, it is aligned at the top left corner of the parent. So applying the bottom to be true only brought down the text view, and that is the position where I want my text view to be. So the second text view, which is having the text of adieu, rest in peace here, I gave it an ID as well, and both the layout of the width and the height are match parent. Now for me to place this text view here, I had to use the attribute of layout above who? Above the John, which is this text view here. That is why the text view "Adieu, rest in peace" came above the text view "Ofumba John." Okay, I italicized it as well. Added a padding of 16. I added a padding of 16 to the total text views I have here. All text views here is 16 dp padding, but what differs is the text size, because the text size I used for the rest were 16 xp, but for the first text view it was 18 sp. Now I added a color of this code into my text view. The whole text view attribute for the second, third, and fourth are the same. The only difference there is the layout above being assigned to the layout of being reflected to the layout of each text view before the other text view. Okay, as you can see, I added this text view to be Spark. Now Spark layout is above the layout of the Adieu text view, and likewise this text view, A Great Star Has Fallen, the same attributes apart from the layout above being attributed to the Spark text view. So this makes each text view to come above the other. Thank you. I believe I've really explained my